Can we invest in an NFO or an existing fund? What will be the better option to invest? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will elaborate on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
NFO as a new fund offer. Only after the NFO is closed, the fund manager with the collected money, he builds a portfolio. Once the portfolio starts performing, it will be generating a track record. Till such time, there is no track record, there is no portfolio. During the NFO period, we are simply blind whether this company will get benefited, whether this NFO is going to get benefited or not. We don't know what kind of portfolio they will build, conservative portfolio, aggressive portfolio. Whether this guy will invest in growth kind of philosophy or value kind of philosophy. He will invest in undervalued stocks or momentum stocks. We don't know anything about his fund management style, what kind of track record, nothing. Simply we are going ahead and investing in an NFO. Whereas in the existing fund, we have a track record. How the fund has performed in the last 3 years. What is the present portfolio? What is the sectoral allocation? What is the capitalization allocation? Means how much they have invested in large cap, how much they have invested in mid cap, how much they have invested in small cap. Everything we know, we can look at the portfolio, then decide, okay, this portfolio seems to be good. This fund manager also has a good track record. During 2020 pandemic, how he has managed. 2008 subprime crisis, how he has managed. Everything we can check, and based on that, we can take a decision in an existing fund. Whereas in an NFO, it is not possible. So because no track record, no portfolio, we are simply taking a blind risk. At times, people come up with this question. This NFO is from a well-known mutual fund company. Let us say ABC mutual fund company has got a lot of performing schemes available in the market. They are launching a new fund. So as a certified financial planner, do we recommend that? My answer to that will be, when you are investing in an NFO from an established and experienced company, yes, compared to another NFO, it may be better. But again, if there is an existing fund available, why should you go for a new fund from an established company? But if there is no fund in that particular category, it is launched by an established mutual fund company, then it is entirely a different game. Let us say a technology fund from a well-known fund house. There are technology funds which are available in the market already, which have a track record. Why should you go for this? Because you take a car company, Maruti, Hyundai, or whatever it be. They have developed many successful car models. Doesn't mean that all their new models are successful. They have also launched failure models. So, established mutual fund companies can also launch a fund which can deliver below average returns. So, that way, every fund is different. We should not simply rely on a fund house and invest. Generally, when there is a new fund offer, the new in it creates kind of an excitement, because this is something new, and it is open during particular time frame, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Within that time frame, I have to go ahead and invest. Otherwise, I miss that opportunity. So new is an opportunity I may miss within that time frame. This creates a lot of excitement and puts kind of pressure on people to invest. Now we should have a clear thought process. Though it is named or labeled as a new fund, what we have to infer from that is, it is not a tested fund. It is not a proven fund. So do we have to go ahead and invest? When we are like sending our kids for college or school, do we send them to an established and experienced college, established and experienced course, or new college and new course? No, right? So similarly, when we are choosing a fund, we have to choose a fund with track record, existing, not an NFO. NFO can be completely avoided. If you want to experiment, then if you have some money where you are ready to lose that money, then in that case you can consider NFO, maybe small money on an experimental basis. You can try to invest. You need not invest your must to have goals money in NFO. Instead, you can choose existing funds.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.